In this video, I will show you how to make a 3D glass in Blender. Blender is open source and easy software for making anything in 3D or 2D. If you are a beginner in Blender, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. I am using Blender 2.8 for its real-time rendering engine Eevee. It took a few seconds to render an image. At first, open Blender and delete the default cube. Now right click and add reference image for the glass model. Add cylinder mesh. And tab for edit mode. Now select wireframe mode. Press S key to rescale top of the mesh. And also bottom of the mesh. Now extrude it. Press E and Z to extrude Z location. S to rescale. E to extrude. S to rescale. E to extrude. S to rescale. E to extrude. S to rescale. Now grab the selected vertex. E to extrude and S to rescale. Repeat it twice. Grab the vertex, slide upward and E to extrude it in Z location. Now edge to hide the reference image. Select the mesh, click in face selection and click the top face of the mesh and press X to delete the face of the mesh. Press tab key for object mode and press right click, select set smooth. Add solidify modifier and select thickness around 0.01 meter and apply it. Now add subdivision modifier. Change some arrangement. Now right click to add a plane mesh for the bottom part. S to rescale. Now go to the material tab and add material for the mesh, rename it. Change surface to glass BSDF. Renaming the mesh, it is a good habit for your model. Now go to Shading tab. Select the glass mesh and go to the node editor. The mesh does not look like glass because of the roughness. Change roughness value around 0.05. Now see it in rendering view. And adjust the lighting for a good shadow effect. Press 0 in numpad for camera view. Press N key and click view and lock camera to view. Now adding an HDRI image for the background. Select the world tab and change color to the environment texture. Now open your HDRI image and select it. The mesh looks like a real glass though it hasn't any image texture. Adjust the point light. Press 0 to the camera view. Arrange the scene. Now go to the rendering setting. Sampling around 500. Add ambient occlusion, bloom effect. I adjust the bloom color, maybe like light yellow. And screen space reflection. Now change output for your rendering image. Now go to render tab and render image. It took few seconds for rendering. Save the image in the storage device. Ready your own 3D class. If it is helpful for you, then like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching it.